A very good afternoon to all. Today I am going to start the but I am considering this few more figure to write down the G code and M code and the word address format programming. First of all, I am considering this object. Okay, it has a dimension of height is 50, L means the length is 100. It is very easy. Let us start. This is new few general codes that we are knowing very well, and that we have to write down N01 and G90. It is very common. G17 for the XY plane, G21, okay, and G94. After that, uh, for M03 spindle start, and I am just assuming that 500 is the speed, cutting speed in the RPM, and F here also I am going to assume 250. Okay, and after that, in the case of in this case, uh, first of all we locate a tool over here at the origin, then G00, X0 and Y0, and the value of Z is 5. As you all know, the value of Z is 5. Why it is 5? Because we have to take the tool just above this origin. Okay, and after that I have to move from here to here, do the machining outside side milling. In the case of side milling, this is length is 100 and height is 50. So here just I am going to enter, and G01, first of all take the tool down. Let us I am taking here 5, but the thickness of the material is 10 mm, only 5 mm will cut. Okay, next will be G01, and the only value of X you have to give, that will be 100. Only the value of X will be here. I have given, that is 100. From here to here I'll go, so only the value of Y will be changed, but the value of X will be same. Again G01, and the value of X will be same, so no need to write down, only value of Y I have to write down. Okay, next I have to move from here to here, then the value of Y will be same, but the value of X will be changing here. So G01 and the value of X will be 0. X will be 0. Next G01, come to the origin, that is X0 and Y0, then spindle stop M05, then M30 will be end of the program. Let us go to the solid animation. In the solid animation, first of all we will go to the tool setup. In the tool setup I have selected add mill flat, because I am going to do the side milling. Let us take only to diameter is 2 mm. Okay, no need to change anything over here because it is in mm. If it is in inches, we can convert it into the mm, and other things is okay. Okay, just make it okay. Go to the solid setup. In the solid setup, minimum X will be 0, minimum Y will be 0, and the minimum Z will be, I have taken here -10. The thickness of the material is -10, but only I have to cut the -5. Only 5 mm I have to cut. Maximum X is how much? Maximum X will be 100. So let us take this 100, and let us take it 1 uh, 1 so that it will be understood how much material will be there, like little more. And maximum Y will be taken as a 55. Okay, that is actually 50, and maximum Z will be 0. Log dimension. Okay, now start the operation. You can see the only the 5 mm it has been cut, and the 5 mm will be as usual, and the machining of 5 mm will be cut. This is the extra material from both the sides. Just understanding the basics of a G code, M code, how to write down the G code, M code, the other code will become ahead, so that your concept is more clear. See, and this is the first. Okay, if you want to save it, you can save it. The option is there, save as. You can save it wherever you want. Save it, okay. For example, in the CNC, rather than you can save it in the desktop. in CAD-CAM. In the CAD-CAM, we are having the folder of practical. So we can make it the some folder over here, and that is a better. See, what we can say like a Simco. Okay, and it is okay. Just open it, and you can save. You can give a name like a rectangle, RAC. Rectangle is okay. It is always saves in the form of format. Okay, so it is saves in the particular folder. You can check it out also if you want to check. This is a Simco. The rectangle folder is there. Okay, RAC. Okay, now I can go with the new I'm going to open. Okay, that is already saved, and the new figure will be here. Go to the back. We are having here. Okay, the next will be this one. You can see the next will be this figure. Its figure having a short edges means this edges. This edges having a 50, and long edges means this edges having the 100. Means this is by 100. This is also 100. This is 50 and 50. Okay, this is also 50. Okay, we want to do a side milling of this figure also. So that as usual way I am writing the first sequence in 01, and as usual way like a common code G90, G18, sorry, G17, G21, and G94. M03, I'm assuming the same here also, M03, and S250, F, let us take 100. Okay, and after that I can here also I will be located at the S0, Y0, and the value of Z will be 5. Okay, then G0001, and the Z minus I have taken 10 over here. Okay, so first of all in this case the tool will move. Right now the tool is over here. I have tool will move from here to here. The distance is x is 100. Okay, x will be 100. So this will be G01. Only the value of x I will be given. I will give that will be 100. Then G01. Then the value of x will be same, and the value of y will be change. That will be y will be 100 because short edges is there. So y will be 50. Then again G01. Now in this case it is moves inside. The value of x will be decreases. Value of y will be same. The value of x will be 100. Sorry, 50, not 100. Okay, then again it move above. Again the value of y will increase and value of x will be same. So it will be like 001, and the value of y will be 100. Okay, again it will move from here to here. So value of y will be same, and the value of x will be changes. The value of x will be 0. Okay, next the tool will move from here to here and again comes to the origin. So this will be G01 and X0 and Y0. Okay, after that I can stop the uh, spindle and end of the program. Okay, after writing this program I'll go to the solid animation as usual way. Okay, tool setup. I have to do the like a side milling. The tool is okay. Diameter is also okay. No need to change. It is in the millimeter. Diameter is 2. Other things is okay. No need to change. Okay, okay. Go to the solid setup. In the solid setup, dimension is we require dimension is 100 by 100. Correct? 100 by 100. Let us take 100, 105 and 105. So minimum x, minimum y, and minus 2 is okay. It will be 105. Next will be 105, and this is log dimension. Now just run this program. You can see Okay, as usual way, the dimension given in the programming, the same way it will be cut the material. I do the side milling. Okay, this also you can save as in the same place Simco. That is figure 2, I can see figure 2. Okay, now I have to go to the third figure, which is little complex. So you have to know, this is not start from the origin, it is start from the x value 10 and y value 0. It means that the origin will be here. It is look like here the origin will be here. Okay, so this distance is from here to here is 10. We can consider the distance from here to here is 10. Okay, rather than we can take a little less, rather than it is very difficult to take it negative also. So I am taking let the this is actually a 10. Okay, now I can consider a new open as usual way n01, g90, g17, g21. You can randomly write down here and then there is no problem. G94. Here also I am going to start a spindle clockwise direction, and I am just assuming F is S and F both. And again here locate the tool, but we have to locate the tool not at the origin. We have to locate the tool at here, where the x value is 10 and y value is 0. Okay, x value is 10 because from where we have to start the operation, and the value of z will be 5. And the same place we can start the operation, means the g01, and the value of z I am taking here minus 7. Actual thickness is 10, just I am assuming over here, and start g01, and it has to be moved from here to here. Then the value of x will be increased, the value of y will be same as always 0. The value of x will be 60, value of x will be 60, value of y will be 0. Then g01. Okay, again it move up, where the value of x and y value of x will be same, value of y will be increases, that will be 50. So only value of y will be 50. Okay, again g01, here the value of x will be increases, that we have assumed this will be 10, this will be 10. Okay, so this will be as 70, this will be 70, the value of x will be 70. Next we are having g01, but here we are having in the next position, that is the inclined position. It moving from here, where the value of x is 35, value of y will be 80. So we have to give the both the values, value of x will be 85 and value of y will be 35. No, it is reverse actually. Oh sorry, it is 35 and it is actually 85. Okay, g01. Now again I have to move from here to here. So here actually it is a like a origin line. Okay, the value of x will be 0, but the value of y will be 50. The only value of x will be 0 and value of y will be 50. So incline g01, again it has to be moved inside. Then the value of x will be 10 and the value of y will be same. Value of x will be 10 and value of y will be same. Okay, g01, g01. Again we are having we have to reach over there, then value of x will be 10 and value of y will be 0. Value of x, no it is not like that, it is actually 50. Value of x, y no need to write down, but it is the value of x will be 50. Okay, then the value of x will be same and the value of y only will make it 0. Okay, and next we are having a m05 to stop the program, and m30 will be, so this will be like a end of the program, m05 m30. Now I'll go to the solid animation to select the tool. Okay, so you have to select like a tool, no need to require, just I have, you can like check, this is a millimeter and this is a diameter is given, is okay. and this is also okay. Just you select this solid dimensions. In the solid dimension is required, like it is maximum is 80. Let us take 85. It is 70. Let us say 75. So this will be 80. This will be 75, and this will be 85. Log dimension. Okay. You can see as we have given a command, the same way it is cut the material. Oh, a little problem is there. Okay, just a minute. I did some mistake, I think. See, this kind of problem we will face sometime. Actually, 35, 85, and the value of y will be, it has to be moved from here to here, na? Just a minute. Where value of x is 0, not the y is 0. Value of x is 0 and the y will be 50. I did some mistake. This has happened sometime. This is a mistake. Okay. Only the value of y I have to given. No need to give the value of x. Okay. Now this the problem has been solved. It is a little printing mistake, we can say. Sometimes this happen. Okay. Oh my god, it's again moving a downward direction. Now you can see only I have done the little mistake. It has to be like inclined line so that I can give the value of x equal to 0, y equal to 50, and now this is the right program, you can see. Okay, you see this is the final dimensions. Okay, the final figure. Okay, today I'm going to end this lecture till here. I thank you for your great questions. I hope you all understood each and everything. Thank you very much.